whole time, we've looked at the number as an answer. But along the way, I've come to realize that it's just a number and that the answer is you. You are the answer to my prayers, the answer to life, the universe, and absolutely everything else.
The moment our eyes connected in a dark room was like magic. It's something I've never felt before. And from that day, you've become my best friend. The sunshine in my life, the air in my lungs, and the grass beneath my feet.
A phrase we both commonly use to successfully approach things is slow and controlled. But falling in love with you was anything but that. Falling in love with you was sudden and natural and familiar.
I vow to support all your dreams and your passions like you have done with mine every step of the way. I vow to be the greatest version of myself for you, for our family that's going to grow. I promise to tackle every obstacle with our heads high and my hand in yours. And to always be your home, just like you are mine. I love you more than anything, and I ain't never going to stop loving you.
It's almost impossible for me to remember the moment I knew I loved you, because part of me feels like I loved you in every life. And when death do us part, I promise to love you in all of our lives to come.
And now, therefore, I happily declare that Brendan and Holly, from this moment on, are two people united as one, and you are husband and wife. Congratulations, Brendan, you may kiss your beautiful wife.